Hey guys, it's Michaela, and me and Michaela, 1, 2, 3, sorry. And I'm going to teach you how to do waterfall braid. My version of it, at least. So you take the section closest to your head and then you just braid it. You put it into 3 seconds. I think guys know how to braid, right? Go and look at other videos to know how to braid. I mean, I hate it when people, like when they're doing things like this, they teach you how to braid. So I just do the under thing probably like 3 times, and then I take the section that's closest to your head again, and you add it on to right here, the other section that's closest to your head as part of the braid. And then you just continue braiding like normal. Then you do the same thing, you add some more here to this section, to this one little braid thing. You just add some of that tiny little hair into here, and then you do 1, 2, 3. Sorry. Again, add 1, 2, 3. I think some needs to be added to this little tiny piece. You just add some. Then you go 1, 2, 3, and just add that little tiny piece. If you have one, to the other, to the braid. Add that, and go 1, 2, 3. And then again, you take that piece, you add a bit of hair, and go 1, 2, 3. And then you can go more. I'll usually go more, and then it would like be all down here, and then it would look all like that. But I'm not gonna do it anymore because this is just a quick one. It's not very good. I'm not tying it or anything. But yeah, it's very messy one. It's fine. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and like to my channel. And yeah, bye. Bye.